to show everybody what I put in my first aid kit real quickly. We've got a back patch, find these at the dollar store, some cough drops, some Pepto-Bismol or other type of diarrhea type medication, some cough suppressant, an ice pack, backup medications in case we get stuck an extra couple days. These are the ones that you really need to have. Silica packets that you get out of like shoes and stuff. These work really well if you get your phone a little bit wet. Put it inside a Ziploc bag, put these in there, it'll dry it up. Some athletic tape, a mini sewing kit that I put together myself, thermometer, itch stick, hydrocortisone, muscle rub. For us women, it's always nice to have some of these type of products in case you come down with a yeast infection. Alka-Seltzer for cold, Tylenol and Benadryl are my most used. I put the date that they expire and the dosage on the bag so I know what that is. Extra lip stuff, extra set of C-bands, some scissors, and then a mini first aid kit with some Q-tips, some antibiotic ointment, alcohol prep pad, and different size bandages. Hope this helps.